Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to check your Xfinity internet uses in app. First, open the Xfinity app and log in into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the internet section. Here, you'll see your current data uses, including how much data you have used in and how much is remaining for your billing cycle. You can also view detailed usage statistics such as daily or monthly consumptions depending on your plan. If your plan has a data limit, this section will help you monitor your uses and avoid extra charges. Make sure to check this regularly to stay within your limit and manage your internet effectively. That's how you check your Xfinity internet uses in the app. If you found this useful, do not forget to like,